Mama's going to get a picture of us putting this in the oven. Okay, we step back. See, I have a pot holder. And we're going to open this, and we're going to put it in. Close it up because it's hot. And now we wait about 10 minutes. So I'm going to set the timer. And hopefully 10 minutes will be 8 to 10. So I'll start with 8. 8, well, I'm going to, you can't do it. You watch. I go around, and then I come back. Because it's not a toy. If you play with it, then it'll break, and then I won't have a timer. You hear it? You hear the timer? Oh no, I think I will sit. I can read you a story. There we go.
So what are you doing, Grammy?
Well, the donuts are done, Papa, and it's time to get them out. So here we are. We've got a little basket from the boys' play area, and we put paper towel in. And now we're lifting up the donuts, and the sugar makes them stick a little bit. But the boys are going to have their snack. This is going to take 2 hands. Yes, in just a moment. This is a 2-hand job. Whose birthday is it? To Papa. Papa, did you know you were having another birthday?
No, I didn't know that.
Oh dear, you've got too many already, Papa. You better watch those birthdays. No, Corey's still singing. Happy birthday. Alrighty. Now I'm putting this in the sink. Okay, here they are. So let me get a little plate for you, okay? Oh, you need to get in this? What are you doing in this seat?
I want to get in it.
Oh, you want me to turn you around?
No.
You can do it?
I'm about to pick up all their stuff. One stuff. And one is not.
Are they good, Cora?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess that you could probably eat them right on the table. They don't need a plate, but Corey, are you the blue glass?